Ngatho cia mwanya ni gucoka na ndirehoka ni urathie na mbere wega. Njogu wa Njoroge na Nyawira ni aracakaya gikuo kia ithe wa murata wake ogwitwo Wambugu wa Kimamo na ingeitu tumwe through creativity yake ya Photoshop. Wambugu athondekaga mbica cia Photoshop iria canjamuraga followers ake nacio makiria ni akoragwo agi Photoshop we mwene aga Photoshop politicians hamwe na aini na andu othe mari gatu na makiria twanona agi Photoshop Karagu muraya muno na Karagu nionekanaga gukenio ni wira wa njamba eno. Njogu ni andika ndumiriri agicakaya na family ya Wambugu ni undu wa gikuo gia baba wao akimwira my brother Wambugu wa Kimamo, I know how difficult it is to you and your family. May our God in heaven will speak words of comfort to your heart. Accept my condolences, brother. You are in my prayers. May Mzee Daniel Kimamo Mathaga rest in eternal peace. Wambugu rio ukuihuritwo ni maithori akigweta ndeto ici cia Kieha ciege gikuo gia baba wao ni akorwo akiandika ndumiriri ya Kieha akiuga, I had all hopes, my dear loving dad, to find you alive when I come back. Where do I start now? I'm lost in tears. Mundu wakorwo kiona ndumiriri eno ni Moses mwana wa Kanyira na ni amucokeria akimwira sana pole sana brother, may he rest in peace. Gatonye shege onake niona ndumiriri iyo ya maithori na amucokeria akimwira he has finished his race. We are all gonna follow suit. I hope you get the courage to forge on. It's not easy, but you make it. May he rest in peace. Ni undu wa ndumiriri ya Njogu ya kumumiriria hamwe na andu a nyumba yao ni andikira Njogu ndumiriri ya macokio akimwira, thank you good people for the consolation and encouraging messages. God bless you. Ashoka uga, I'm so much grateful. It's a difficult moment, but there is no way out. We accept the will of God. Thank you my brother Njogu wa Njoroge HSC. Turauga Mzee Daniel Kimamo Mathaga continue resting in eternal peace. Tugukinya ndeto icio hau tucemanie na wa next video. Make sure ni wa subscribe.
Goko ni gwa Gikuyu Community News. Make sure ni wa subscribe niguo kamenya gwatinda atia, gwake atia na gwatuka atia.